My name is Lydia Marcus. I am the administrator of Ebenezer Jagannath Marcus Matriculation High Secondary School, Ambattur, Chennai. We are on our 47th year of educating students. We have from kindergarten till grade 12. We introduce oral English lab product as part of the curriculum itself. They come to the lab weekly twice. Start through many demos for products, but and oral was something that I googled myself. I was doing my research. I was trying to find what are the products that are available in the market, so to see where I can, which will fit me better. And all the products that I've been through is kind of one-dimensional. It's either the conversation that they focus on. It is only the communication part. It's just like, having dialogues. I was just having this oral demo and I thought this is what I like because it has everything. So I can pick and choose. Maybe for this year I have a goal saying let me focus on the pronunciation. So I'm able to do that with oral. And next year I have a goal where I can improve the vocabulary of the children. I can do it with oral because oral accent gives me this entire bundle. I can pick and choose what I need. And number two is every other product required, say they need a PC for every child. So but then when I spoke with oral and they gave me an option, okay, you can have an interactive panel, you can have a teacher in an English lab setup. So it will be like a one-stop product for my grade 1 till grade 12. And I love the intercultural program. I think discussing with different children from different parts of the world definitely is an added advantage. They don't get that support from their parents at home. You really feel happy about it. Even the one who's hesitant to speak also will speak up. We have 2 schools in our management. So I did sign up for both the schools because my sister is the principal of the other school as well. So and I definitely will recommend oral to people who are requesting for it. And also it's because it gives us the flexibility. That is a major part of oral. I want to give you a feedback, just not by words but by statistics saying this child was at this level, but I can see this child has improved so much more. So it's just not about words. I want to give you a report saying sir, oral has worked, and for example this child so and so, and this was how she spoke and now she's improved. So I am looking forward to that point,
Yes.